Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching day 22 of the Hemline Grotto Sewing Advent Calendar. 3 more days. 22, 23, and 24. Alright. So 23. No. 22. 22. Here we go. A yarn and wool needle. Awesome. And I wonder if this is something that I would use for wool felting. That's on the want to learn list. I have seen some amazing things with people that they take all the different wools and things, and all of a sudden they've created this work of art. So I wonder if you would use those for wool felting. Well, we will make sure those are kept in that little box so I know what they are. And we're going to turn that upside down. I don't think this one was turned upside down. Yep, there we go. Now it's upside down. All right. Because then we've got only one. And 2 left to go. So I've only got 2 that are right side up. So how's your preps going? You've making some progress on all the stuff that you have to get done? Yeah. My list grows and grows. I always think there's more day, and I forget there's not as much me. But, you know what? As long as we're having fun and enjoying our family, then it's okay. And Christmas will happen, you know. But still, it just makes me want to cry when I think about something that my daughter had said. I'm always questioning if I'm a good mother, if I am doing the right things. And when she said it, she knows I try really hard to do what's right and to do what's best. I think that's all you can ask for. And that really meant the world to me. That she was able to verbalize that she saw this. Definitely very grown up. It happened all of a sudden. Be sure to find us on Facebook. We're under Crazy Dave's Crew, the Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. Be sure to subscribe because there's going to be so many more videos coming up. Lots of fun things. And as I learn things, I'm going to pass it on to you. And when I try something, I'm going to give you an honest answer of what I think of it. We actually were approached by a company a while back that they'd send us, XYZ and would even pay us for doing a video, but we had to give them a good review. And my husband, he's like, I can't promise that. We're going to give an honest review. Well, I'll tell you, the fact that they didn't want us to give an honest review kind of tells me that their product wasn't going to be quality. A company that has a quality product, I think, would appreciate an honest review. So, that's what you can get from us on Crazy Dave's Crew. But be sure to watch our other videos. Stay with me for 2 more days as we finish up our Advent calendar. But be sure to subscribe because like I said, there's a lot of stuff coming around the bend. Got lots of plans, lots of things in the works, and it's exciting and it's fun. So I hope you'll join us on our little journey. And I hope you'll come back tomorrow when we open up box 23. Have a great day and thank you for watching.